I think this is possibly 3 males. 2 younger males that's kind of just sticking together and 1 dominant male, 1 big male. So they'll be like subordinate to this male in this bigger territory. Let's see if they maybe meet up with each other. But yeah, you can see the white rhino, they always have their head down low, close to the ground. Constantly eat. Doesn't matter if it's good quality or bad quality grass, because they only digest about 30% of what they take in. So they eat between 5 and 10% of their body weight in grass every day. So these ones in front, they'll probably be 1,500 kilograms through the skin there. And then usually on these big game, we see the oxpeckers, the small birds with the little red
I
beaks,
didn't bother to do that.
actively
It's too old
feed off
to.
the ticks.
That was pee. Oh, yes.
Okay, it is to chew. This is some David Attenborough stuff right
Yeah,
here.
this is incredible.
Yeah.
Usually they're very, very quiet animals. Now he's having a bit of a cough because he wanted to growl. Now he's like. But yeah, they're usually super silent. It's every now and again when you have interactions with they're a bit vocal. But it also seems that this male is bigger than that male also. There's also about a 2-3, let's say 3 year difference between them. But this one is definitely the big bull. So with white rhinos, always also the primary horn gets quite a lot bigger than the secondary horn, and with black rhino they tend to grow equally.
Jeepers, but that is massive. Coming towards us.
Looks like a carrot. Told you we needed to buy a bag of carrots.
Beautiful animals. I think he's maybe gonna mark now. It's like he's getting ready to send markers.
Yeah.
Yes.
Usually what the dominant male will do after they've urinated or defecated, they'll go step in it with their hind legs. So they kick, they make these drag lines. So they do that as a display, but also getting that smell off on their ankles and their feet. So when they walk their boundary, they walk their scent off to mark their territory.
Congratulations, a healthy flow.
There's a good flow.
It's really putting on the show. It's looking us right in the eyes.
So their skin
Don't
will
make it
feel
weird.
like sandpaper, like 80 grit or something. Right guys, yeah, on this pin there's 3 Nkombi, 3 Modern Nkombi. They're just off to the west of the Impala, but the show is about 5 on the individuals. I don't know if you can see, they also got some. Yeah, you can see how they look next to that car.
Yeah.
I would be scared in that car.
I would be scared in the car.
A Nissan for comparison.
Yeah, they're massive. Is there any sign? Oh, Qashqai.
Yeah.
So they're actually they're very bad eyesight. They're close to almost blind. Yeah.
So they're together and the other guy's not together.
Right.
Those 2 are together, like, and then that one, or they all
No,
just move together.
He's the
They
boss.
kind of move together, but he's the boss. He's
Tells
kind
them
of
to be-
checking that they don't overstep. So basically, they have to be subordinate to him. So he allows them to feed in his area. They can eat and they can drink water, but that's it. They can't go to the ladies, and they also can't mark the territory. As soon as they mark and they do that kicking, and get their scent off, that's like a direct challenge to this bull. And then this bull will pick it up whenever, and he will follow that scent until he finds that bull, and then they'll fight it out. That's how they kind of establish their territories. So you get territories and home ranges. Only the dominant bulls owns the territory, and everyone inside that territory, like the females, the babies, and the young males, they operate in what we call a home range. So they can go between territories of big males. They're allowed to move there, but they will never have their own territory unless they go and fight one day for it. So these two bulls, they still got a while to go. Yeah, I think he's pushing them around.
Yeah.
Big.
They are massive. Yeah.
Yeah, let's all the way to see they're gonna pop out here. Or to see what they're gonna do.
Am Schwanders gesehen mit dem Elefant.
Was meinst du, Baby?
Am Schwanders gesehen mit dem Elefant.
Ja, ja.
Ja, ja.
They're fine.
Video and Carl video. Yeah, I'm really down since the Sony has not got the best scenery.
Color.
Wow. He's coming to do a show.
And he's getting himself a little dust bar.
Massive.
Help with the bugs.
Wow, he's really putting on a show.
Down.
That's an intro.
So he's trying to get their attention because it doesn't seem like they really fight.
No.
Hear how he's making. It sounds like an engine.
It does.
So yeah, that's also one of the mating calls.
Once again.
That means you have to be prepared now.
I think it's an impala looking at the horns. I think, yeah.
Cheetah are more adapted for hunting in the daytime.
I also got a tracking collar.
Look at their face, they've got this
Hello.
black mark on their eyes. So that's basically like their shades. So that the sun won't reflect into the mating. I think this one might be the one with the collar. I don't think it's tough to have the collars here.
It's like a good eat.
This is
Smile.
definitely some National Geographic stuff right here.
You see, these babies are a little bit bigger already, so
Yeah.
they'll probably have to keep catching an animal like this every day, every second.